Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine as well as healthy. We are learning 11th Science Biology English medium and we are talking about the chapter number 4. And you know that the title of chapter number 4 is what? The title of chapter number 4 is about the animal kingdom. The title of chapter number 4 is about the animal kingdom. So in last video lecture of this chapter we have talked about the two different type of classes. The first one which is known as the class Cyclostomata and second one which is known as the superclass Pisces. So before starting today's video lecture we are going to revise the last or the previous video lecture. You know what is the meaning of Cyclostomata? The important thing is that the first vertebrate animals belongs to class Cyclostomata. They are marine organism, means they are aquatic organism. They show different type of migration, means the female of the cyclostomatal animal will go to the different type of region, means from freshwater to marine for the spawning, and after laying egg, after spawning, the death of female will occur. So this type of thing is there in the cyclostomata. You will remember that they are the blood sucking animals. They act as the exoparasite. You know the parasitic mode of life is there. The parasitic animal is 100% dependent upon the body of host. So two types of parasites are there. First type which is known as the endoparasite, while second type which is known as the exoparasite. You know that the endoparasite animal live inside the body of the host, while exoparasite is dependent upon the body of host from the outer side. So this cyclostomata is what? This cyclostomata is exoparasitic type of animal. Okay, so it is all about the cyclostomata. You know that the cyclostomata belongs to division Agnatha. Agnatha means what? Agnatha means we can say that absence of what? Absence of jaws and absence of paired appendages. So jaws and paired appendages are 100% absent in Agnatha. While if we talk about some important features or the important characters or peculiar characters of the superclass Pisces, okay, so again we are going to revise the important ones. Okay, we are not talking about the all characters of fishes, means Pisces, but we will write some important aspect. So if we talk about here the superclass Pisces, okay, see here if we talk about the superclass Pisces. Superclass Pisces. Okay, what is the meaning of Pisces? So we can say that first point, all types of, we can say that first point, all types of fishes, all types of fishes are included. All types of fishes are included in the superclass Pisces. So you will remember all type of fishes. Okay, all type of fishes are included in the superclass Pisces. We can say that if we talk about the fish, okay, then we can say that it is highly adapted for the aquatic mode of life. Means we can say that aquatic adaptation is there. Okay, which type of adaptation is found? We can say that aquatic adaptation is found. So underline this, which type of adaptation? You can say that aquatic adaptation is found, means the body having some important structures, and with the help of these important structures the fishes are able to live or fishes are able to survive. Okay, fishes are able to survive inside the water. It means aquatic type of adaptation is there. While if we talk about the third point, we can say that third point, if we talk about the habitat, then we can say that generally all are the aquatic. Generally all are the aquatic. Some are marine, and other are found in fresh water. Some are marine while other are found in fresh water. Okay, what will be the example of marine? See, marine means salty water. Okay, marine example we can say that sea as well as ocean are the example of marine water, while lake as well as pond and the river, okay, are the example of the fresh water. So it's all about the habitat. Point number 4, we can say that what about the shape of body? The body of fish will be the boat shaped. Okay, body is both shaped. We can say that the anterior as well as posterior, both ends are pointed. So the both ends of body are generally pointed. Okay, but generally you can say that the only anterior end is pointed because the posterior end of the body having the one caudal fin. Okay, so body will be both shaped. Point number 5. Now the important one is there. What about the locomotion? We can say that yes, locomotion is possible, and locomotion is possible with the help of locomotory organs. Like for example, we can say that locomotion is possible with the help of fins. Okay, so fins are there for the locomotory organs. It means fishes are able to do locomotion with the help of fins, or in other words, we can say that in fishes all appendages are converted into fins. In fishes, all different type of appendages are converted into fins. If we talk about some examples of fins, see, two types of fins are there. Some are the paired and some are the unpaired type of fin. But example will be, you will remember, dorsal fin is there, then ventral fin is there, then we can say that pelvic fin is there, then pectoral fin is there, we can say that anal fin is there, and the last one we can say that the caudal fin is there. Okay, caudal fin is very important because with the help of caudal fin the fishes are able to change their direction for the swimming. Okay, so this type of fins are there. Remember that the fins are one type of modification of appendages. You will remember in fishes appendages are modified into what? Into the fins. Okay. Point number 6, we can say that what about the exoskeleton? What about the exoskeleton? We can say that, see, exo means what? Exo means outer. So as exoskeleton or the outer body surface of fish having the different type of scales. Okay, so scales are present as exoskeleton. You will remember what is present. We can say that the scales are present as exoskeleton. Okay, if we talk about the function of scale, so what is the main function of scale? The main function of scale is to protect the body, to protect the body of the fish, to protect the body of the fish. It is the main function. Okay, what is the main function of the scale? The main function will be to protect the body. Okay, see, scales are not for the beauty of the fish. Okay, ઘણા ટાઈમ પહેલા આવો ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછાઈ ગયેલો હતો કે what is the function of scale? Okay, and options are for protection, for beauty. Okay, આવા બધા options હતા, and maximum students, okay, had selected the beauty. Okay, so scales are not because of the beauty. Okay, but scales are associated or related with the protection of the body. Now if we write some examples of scale, we can say that placoid scale is there, yes or no? So placoid scale is there, then cycloid scale is there, then ctenoid scale is there, okay, then gonoid scale is there, then we can say that rhomboid type of scale is there. So these all are the examples of different type of scales. Okay, so important ones are the locomotion, then exoskeleton. Now if we talk about the next point number 7, if we talk about the endoskeleton. Okay, if we talk about the endoskeleton, then we can say that endoskeleton of fishes is made up of either cartilage, it is made up of either cartilage or bone, or both are present, depends upon the fishes. Okay, then point number 8, what about the respiration? What about the respiration? Then presence of gills. Okay, with the help of gills, the exchange of dissolved oxygen will be there. Okay, so gills are connected with the process of exchange of the dissolved oxygen. So remember that gills are connected with the respiratory organ, and sometimes these gills are covered by some cover which are known as the operculum. Okay, so operculum is also there. Okay, you will remember operculum is also there. So see, these are the some basic characteristics. Okay, you know that the heart is what? Heart is two-chambered heart is there. Then fishes are cold-blooded animal. What is the meaning of cold-blooded? Means these animals are not able to change, okay, their body temperature. Then body temperature according to surrounding. Okay. Now, if we talk about the classification of, if we talk about the important one, if we talk about the classification of superclass spices, then we can say that there are many. How many? There are main three classes. Okay. The first one, which is known as placodermy. Okay, we are talking about the different type of classes of superclass spices. So three classes are there. You will remember how many three classes are there. So first one, which is known as placodermy. Remember that all types of extinct fishes belongs to class placodermy. Okay, all types of extinct fishes belongs to class placodermy. So placodermy is important word. Okay, this word is not given in your NCERT, but you will remember this. Placodermy means what? Means all types of extinct fishes belongs to class placodermy. Then what about the second one? Second one, we can say that second one is about the Chondrichthyes. Okay, second one is about the Chondrichthyes, and the class number 3, which is known as Osteichtyes. Okay, class number 3, which is known as Osteichtyes. So you will remember that superclass spices is divided into main three classes: placodermy, Chondrichthyes, and Osteichtyes. So first of all, take a screenshot of this. Okay, take a screenshot of this, and then after taking screenshot, we are going to learn about the differences between the Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes. Okay, the next topic will be what? The next topic will be the differences between Chondrichthyes and the Osteichtyes. It means some characters of Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes. So this question is completed, and now we are going to talk about the some important characters, means the differences found between Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes. Okay, see, it is very important question. It is a question of 4 or 5 marks. Okay, lengthy question ની કેટેગરીમાં question આવશે. એક question થી 3 question પડશે. Characters of Chondrichthyes, characters of Osteichtyes, and third one will be what? Third one will be the differences found between the Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes. Okay, the placodermy ની વાત પૂરી થઈ ગઈ. Okay, so the story of placodermy is completely over. Placodermy means what? The all types of extinct fish. What is the meaning of extinct? Extinct means the ancestor fish. Okay, extinct means this type of fishes are not available in the present or the current world. So see, the title is what? Title, we can say that we are going to talk about the comparison between what and what? Comparison between Chondrichthyes, and Osteichtyes. The comparison between what and what? Comparison between Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes. See, these two words are important. The first one is what? First one is class Chondrichthyes, and second one is what? Second one is class Osteichtyes. Okay, see, the first character here, I will write the some type of characters of this book. Okay, so first character, we can say that what about the habitat? First character, what about the habitat? Okay, so generally we can say that generally Chondrichthyes are marine. Okay, you will remember this. Generally Chondrichthyes are marine, means found in salty water. Generally Chondrichthyes are marine. This type of fishes are found in what? Are found in the salty water. Okay, so we can say that generally Chondrichthyes are marine. While the first point, we can say that what about the Osteichtyes? They are aquatic. They are aquatic, found in both marine as well as fresh water. Found in both marine as well as fresh water. Okay. So see, the first thing is about the habitat. જો આ કેરેક્ટર પણ થઈ ગયું બેનું અને બેની કમ્પેરિઝન પણ થઈ ગઈ, બેના ડિફરન્સીસ પણ થઈ ગયા. ઓકે, so first thing is about the habitat, means the Chondrichthyes likes to live in the marine, means salty water, while the Osteichtyes likes to live in the marine as well as fresh water. Okay, now see, point number 2 is very much important. We can say that point number 2 is very much important if we talk about the endoskeleton. Okay, if we talk about the endoskeleton. Okay, so now we have the new word which is all about the endoskeleton. It means we are talking about what? We are talking about the endoskeleton, means internal skeleton. So we can say that in Chondrichthyes, you will remember this endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Okay, so cartilaginous type of endoskeleton. You will remember endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, and this type of skeleton is known as the cartilaginous type of skeleton. That's why Chondrichthyes are also known as. That's why Chondrichthyes are also known as elasmobranchy. You will remember another name of Chondrichthyes. Okay, another name of Chondrichthyes will be the elasmobranchy. While if we talk about the Osteichtyes, okay, if we talk about the Osteichtyes, the endoskeleton of Osteichtyes is made up of bones. Okay, 100% bones are there. Okay, that's why they are known as the bony fishes. Okay, that's why they are known as what? That's why they are known as bony fishes. So second character is about the endoskeleton. Okay, we can say that the in Chondrichthyes endoskeleton is made up of cartilaginous. Okay, means cartilage. That's why they are known as the elasmobranchy. While in the case of Osteichtyes, the endoskeleton is made up of what? The endoskeleton is made up of bone. That's why they are known as what? That's why they are known as the bony fishes. Okay. Now, if we talk about the third one, and third one is connected with what? Third one is connected with the exoskeleton. Okay, exo means what? Outer. You know that the exoskeleton scales are present in both. You know that, okay? As exoskeleton scales are present in both, but in Chondrichthyes we can say that placoid scales are there. Which type of scales are found in Chondrichthyes? Placoid scales. It is a one-liner question. It is a very important question that placoid scales are the characteristic of the Chondrichthyes. Which type of scales are found? Placoid scales are found here. We can say that in the case of Osteichtyes, all scales like cycloid, then ctenoid, then gonoid, okay, all remaining type of scales are found in the Osteichtyes. But placoid scales are the characteristic of the class Chondrichthyes. Okay, it's all about the exoskeleton. Now, if we talk about the point number 4, if we talk about the position of mouth, okay, position of what? Position of mouth. We can say that in Chondrichthyes, mouth is located at the ventral side. Okay, ventral side. Okay, here mouth is located at the ventral side, while in Osteichtyes, mouth is located at the anterior side, or at the anterior tip, or at the end of the anterior side. See, for example, the shark હોય shark, તો shark નું મોઢું આમ like this. Shark is one type of Chondrichthyes. See, it is located, mouth is located at the ventral side. This one is the ventral side. It is ventral, then ventral, dorsal, anterior and posterior, and this both are the bilateral side for the fishes. Okay, so mouth of shark or the mouth of Chondrichthyes is located at the ventral side, while in the case of Osteichtyes, mouth is located at the anterior side. Okay, see, if we are going to do the diagram, we can say that here, suppose this one is shark like this. So mouth will be what's here like this. Mouth is at ventral side. Okay, ventral side mouth is there. Here we can say that mouth will be at the anterior side, like this. Yes or no? Okay, it is just diagram. Okay, હવે આમ દેખી નાખું છું કેમ કે આમ જગ્યા ઓછી છે અહીં એટલા માટે, but you will remember this what position of mouth. Now point number 5, we can say that if we talk about the types of caudal fin. Okay, types of caudal fin. Now see, it is a very interesting thing. We can say that in Chondrichthyes, see, the caudal fin will be like this. In Chondrichthyes, the caudal fin will be like this. Means see, it is what? It is the upper lobe. It is the upper lobe, means upper part. Upper lobe is larger than the lower lobe. Upper lobe is larger than lower lobe, and this type of structure is known as heterocircle. Okay, we can say that heterocircle type of caudal fin. So you will remember in Chondrichthyes, upper lobe is larger than lower lobe. It means it is one type of heterocircle type of caudal fin. While in the case of Osteichtyes, we can say that in the case of Osteichtyes, both lobes are equal. Okay, means you can say that the upper lobe is equal to lower lobe. See here, we can say that this is what? This is the upper lobe. Upper lobe is equal to what? Upper lobe is equal to lower lobe. So both lobes are equal. That's why it is known as what? That's why it is known as the homocircle type of caudal fin. બરોબર, ઉપરનું લોબ મોટું હોય તો હેટેરો, બે સરખા હોય તો હોમો, પછી પાછું નીચેનું મોટું ને ઉપર નાનું હોય ને તો એને હાઇપોસર્કલ કહેવાય. પછી એના ઘણા ટાઇપ્સ આવે, જેમ કે ડીફી સર્કલ, પ્રોટોસર્કલ, બરોબર છે, આઇસો સર્કલ. એ બધું તમારે કોલેજીસમાં અથવા તો નીટમાં તમારે આવશે. So it's all about the types of caudal fin. Yes or no? Now point number 6 is about what? We can say that about the claspers. Okay, so now we have the new word claspers. See, claspers are one type of structure which is only present in male. Claspers male માં હોય. With the help of claspers, male fish will hold the female fish during the copulation. Okay, so claspers are only used during the process of copulation. You will remember, with the help of claspers, male fish will hold the female fish during the process of copulation. So claspers are present. We can say that claspers are present in Chondrichthyes while claspers are absent in the Osteichtyes. Okay, so point number 7 is about the claspers. 6 about the claspers. Point number 7, we can say that what about the operculum? Okay, operculum is 100% absent. Operculum is 100% absent. Operculum is 100% absent means gills are not covered. Okay, gills are not covered. Here we can say that gills are not covered by operculum, and in the Osteichtyes we can say that operculum is present means gills are what? Means gills are covered by the operculum. Okay, so operculum absent and present. What about the air bladder? Point number 8, what about the air bladder? Okay, what about the air bladder? Then air bladder will be absent in the Chondrichthyes while air bladder will be present. In the bony fish. Osteichtyes માં હાજર, Chondrichthyes માં ગેરહાજર air bladder. Okay, so now point number 9, we can say that point number 9, what about the cloaca? Cloaca તમને પછી એનો કોન્સેપ્ટ સમજાવીશ. Okay, cloaca, then cloaca is present. You will remember cloaca is present in Chondrichthyes while cloaca is absent in the Osteichtyes. Okay, point number 10, we can say that what about the fertilization? You know, process of fertilization. Then in Chondrichthyes we can say that internal type of fertilization is found, while in the case of Osteichtyes external type of fertilization is found. So here generally internal fertilization, generally external type of fertilization is found. So it is point number 10. Now point number 11, we can say that point number 11, the condition of kidney with testis. So we, or the gonads, not testis, gonads word લખો એટલે એમાં testis અને ovaries બે આવી જાય. Okay, so we can say that here gonads are attached attached or jointed with kidney. Here we can say that gonads are not attached or not jointed with the kidney. So maximum differences are there. બરોબર 11 differences ની વાત કરી આપણે. હજી ઘણા બધા બની શકે. રેફરન્સ બુક માં તો 25 differences હોઈ શકે. જો તમને એમ પૂછે character of Chondrichthyes, then you will write this. Character of Osteichtyes, then you will write this. Okay, then differences between Chondrichthyes and Osteichtyes, then you will write this. Now we will talk about some examples. થોડા ઘણા એક્ઝામ્પલ ની વાત કરીએ. So Chondrichthyes example will be the shark. Okay, shark, the scientific name will be the Scoliodon saraboa. Shark belong to the order Selachi. Shark નો order કોણ છે? Selachi છે. Okay, then different type of shark are there. Whale shark is there, tiger shark is there, hammer-headed shark is also there. So different type of sharks are there, and all different type of sharks are the example of the Chondrichthyes. Okay, then we can say the ray fish. Okay, you know the ray fish કોને કહેવાય? એનું બોડી એક આવું હોય, like this one, it is a ray fish. Yes or no? This ray fish, electric ray fish torpedo, it is able to generate the power of 20 watt. 20 watt નો power generate કરી શકે. Then stingray is there, એક sting હોય છે, electric ray, stingray, this all belongs to the Chondrichthyes. Okay, what about the Osteichtyes? Osteichtyes you can say that you know the all edible fishes like the rohu, katla and mrigal. These are the fish of the fresh water. Rohu, katla, mrigal, these all are the fish of fresh water, means edible fish. ખાઈ શકે એવી fish છે. Okay, these all are the Osteichtyes. Then the important thing is what? Important thing is the seahorse. Hippocampus is also one type of Osteichtyes. Okay, ઘોડા જેવું મોટું હોય આ રીતે, it is a vertical streamer. Okay, એટલે કે આવા differences છે. So now first take a screenshot of this. Okay, screenshot લઈ લો અને સરસ રીતે તમારે આમાં લખવાનું છે. So first of all take a screenshot of this one. કદાચ લોકેશન બદલ્યું છે એટલે you are not supposed to get the proper voice or the proper light, but હવેથી જનરલી મેક્સિમમ લેક્ચર આ લોકેશન પરથી આવશે. એટલે હું મેક્સિમમ ટ્રાય કરીશ કે તમને પ્રોપર લાઇટિંગ મળી રહે અને પ્રોપર વોઇસ ક્લિયર મળી રહે. બરોબર, સ્ક્રીનશોટ તમે લઈ લીધો છે. હોમવર્કમાં તમારે આ જ લખવાનું છે. એકવાર તમને કહી દઉં કે જો કદાચ એવું બની શકે કે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે લેક્ચર મારો ટ્યુસડે, થર્સડે, સેટરડે હોય છે, તો ટ્યુસડે મેં હોમવર્ક ન આપી દીધું છે, તો બની શકે કે થર્સડે ના હું બેનું ભેગું હોમવર્ક આપું, ટ્યુસડે અને થર્સડે નું. અથવા તો પણ એવું પણ કરી શકીએ આપણે કે ટ્યુસડે હોમવર્ક ન મળ્યું હોય તો વેનસડે ના પણ હું લેક્ચર નંબર લખીને તમને હોમવર્ક આપી દઈશ. So today's lecture is 100% completed. I hope that you are getting this concept very much easily. Thank you very much.